Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well. And welcome on this new video from Extreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. I'm very excited for this video because it's going to be one of the most important videos we ever had on this great channel. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how we can apply hit and run, the best and most easiest scalping strategy in Forex. But this time we are going to use Ichimoku tool, and it will help us to enhance our entries way so much better, more than you ever thought about. So um, let's jump in and tell you what to do exactly. Before we start, we need to explain here that I had made already 3 videos talking about Ichimoku tool, and I explained how we can use them for long-term trades. You can check out these videos. The thing is, I stopped making more videos about Ichimoku because I felt like there is no much interest in it. I mean, the view rates are quite dropped here on Ichimoku videos. Um, these are like 10 months ago, and none of them have more than 10k views. So I decided that maybe we should go back again to scalping with normal support and resistance explanations. But I decided that this is the time we have to talk about Ichimoku tool. So to apply Ichimoku in your MetaTrader 4, go to this icon here of indicators list, then select a trend and select Ichimoku Kinko. I don't know if I spelled it right or not. So just click OK and you are good to go. Now let me tell you, Ichimoku is actually very easy. I know once you see this for the first time, if you're a beginner, you will feel, oh, no way, man. No, 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 no. That is too complicated for me. I'm not ready yet. Okay, relax. I don't really care for what is Ichimoku about, because for this strategy, we are doing scalping. All right? We are scalping. So for scalping, I don't care for the red or the blue clouds. And I don't either care for the crossing of the red and the blue lines. That doesn't mean anything for me when I'm scalping. What I'm focusing on is this green line here. This green line is called Chico span. This is indicating where is the strong support and resistance levels. How? Look at that chart in front of you. For example, when we have edge of the Chico span, a very sharp edge like that, this indicating a very strong resistance level. And when you see it on the support, for example here, this indicating a very strong support. Why? Because the edge of the Chico span is quite sharp, very sharp. It's like that. When we see the edges quite soft, or like this one, for example, here we don't have the edge sharp at all. It is just like this. This is not sharp. This is what we want. But when you see it like that, that level of the resistance is not strong enough, and I don't trust it. Same goes to this one here. The edge of the Chico span is not sharp enough. So again, I can't trust it. We have here a support level, but that one I can't also trust it because the edge is not sharp. It is actually flat, like this. So this Chico span is representing the strong support and resistance levels. When we see it like that, when we see it like this and like this, we should, and like, so we know that this level and this level, we have here a strong support and we have here a strong resistance. So applying Ichimoku, it can tell us where is the strong level. Now after explaining what is the Chico span, let's talk about how we should apply it. It is very important, guys. Please pay attention. You just need to focus on the Chico span actually. You can, if you want, not look at the candles so you will not be confused. Now, if we look at this chart in front of us, we have this previous Chico span and the edge is actually sharp. So we can see that this level was actually a resistance as well. So you can tell that this level is a strong resistance. Now, what you will do, you will wait for the Chico span to come down, and this previous resistance now will become the new support. Meaning, here at this level, you want to place buy order. This is simply the rules of scalping using Ichimoku. Let me do it again and explain it better. So the shape or the pattern of the Chico span that you're looking for, you want to find a strong support, for example, for the buy order. This is for the buy. You need, this is for the sell, sorry. This is for the sell. Sell. You need to find a strong support indicated by the sharp edge of it of the Chico span. Then you need to wait to see the breakout. All of this you have to see it on the Chico span line. So now what you have is a broken out support, and you need to see the line actually going up again, and this very same support now is gonna be the new resistance. So meaning at this point here, you need to place your sell. Again, you place sell on the same level of the edgy, the sharp edge, when this support now become the new resistance. Now, of course, you can tell me, man, why you don't just say that we need to wait for the support to become a new resistance and then we can sell or buy? The thing is, Ichimoku is very helpful because it can tell us where is the strong level of the support, where it's gonna be a reversal. Sometimes you can apply this strategy. You will see tons of videos on YouTube telling you that, well, one of the strongest strategies ever is to wait for the support to be breaking out, then the support will become the new resistance. It's no secret. Okay, but how we can know the strong level? That was actually one of the questions I ever had in my mind. How can I know if this level of the support is quite strong enough to make this support become now the new resistance? Now the tool of Ichimoku actually gave me the answer, and to be honest with you, this is my own find. I don't know if it's famous or not. What I'm knowing is I have watched tons of videos about Ichimoku back in the days when I was learning Forex, and none of them talked about this fact, to be honest. It is my own find. I found it myself, and I would like to share it here with you. If it is well-known science, then yeah, maybe. I don't know. That is what I noticed, and I wanted to share with you. So again, if we want to now look for buy order, if we want to look for buy, we need to find a sharp resistance on the Chico span, and this resistance should be breaking out. Now this new, this resistance is now gonna be a new support. Again, using the Chico span sharp edge, you can tell if this level is strong enough, so it will actually work. So here you can place your buy. It's time now to see it on the chart, how it happened. Let me go back in time and show you examples, if I'm lucky enough actually. So we have here, again guys, please just focus on the green line. Don't confuse yourself with the candles or the colors of the clouds. Focus on the green, lime green candle. Yeah, okay. So we have here a sharp edge of a support, and this edge has now been breaking out. Now look what happened later. This breakout is actually representing this long breakout candles here. So placing sell order right on the same level. Look at that. I placed sell order here, for example, at the same level of this support. Now it's becoming the new resistance. So what I can do is waiting for the candles to come up all the way, touching the same level of this support, and place sell. Applying the same principles and rules of hit and run on this strategy or on this market. Look, let's see how many pips that would have given me. About 15 to 16 pips. Of course, applying the same rules mean if I entered here, I have to exit my trade at the nearest support, which is here. This is the nearest support because we have here a support. I remember I'm on the 4-hour chart. So again, it went down here. Let's see more examples. I need to find a strong edge actually. This is maybe a good one, but it's not really what I want. I want something more clear. Yeah, not here. Yes, exactly here. Look at that, guys. Check this out. We have here a sharp edge of this Chico span, and we have here the breakout. Now what we need to do is wait for the market to come up again. Look at that. The Chico span itself did not really go up all the way. Even here, the candles touch the same level. Look at that. We can see the wick here touching the same level of the previous, sorry, not this one, of the previous sharp edge of the Chico span. So applying the same rule, if I want to see this, what I'm seeing now is this sharp edge, okay, and then it went up and again going down and now waiting for the market to come up. So again, this support now becoming the new resistance. Look at that. It gave you a fantastic and perfect entry. So this support now became the new resistance. We can look for more examples. We can see it here. Now, because this edge here is sharp, right here, I can place my line here on the same level and wait for the market to go up again. And you can see that this sharp edge of the Chico span, now the market went up again, and here is where this support has become the new resistance. And again, applying hit and rule strategy, we can see that entrance here, exit here, because this is the nearest support. So if you enter here and you exit at the nearest support, that could have given you about 25 pips of profit. I will go to another two examples and end the video because I just want to explain the strategy in this video. Then in the next one, I will do live tradings using this strategy. I just want to explain to you the strategy now. So again, let me now go here. We can see this sharp edge on this support on the Chico span, and we can see this strong support has now become here the new resistance. I don't know if I can find examples and I can do live trade right in front of you now. Let me try, if I'm lucky enough. Nothing here. I think there is some news happening. There is something happening now, I think, to the AUD or maybe the CAD. I should have kept my eyes on the news actually, but it's okay. Yeah, I think the CAD. There is some news happening to the CAD right now. Indeed, the CAD is facing some news. Now look at that. Even with the news of the CAD, look at this. Now I am on the sharp edge, and we can see this previous resistance now should become the new support, and I'm going to place buy right here. Now, the reason I see even with the news, look at this sharp edges we have here. We have so many sharp edges on the Chico span. We have sharp edge here, we have sharp edges here, and here as well. So even with that, this trade can actually give me some good profit. And I might now pause the video to show you what will gonna happen later, but I want to have another trade to show you. For example, oh no, no need. Let me try to find something else. Check it out. We have here a good entry, but it's not, if I don't use Ichimoku, it's not really clear where I'm going to enter. Now look at that. The market here is going down, and I'm looking for the best opportunity for buy because I want to catch the reversal, right? because when the market going down, I want to go against it and I want to buy the reversal, so it will take me with it. So by using Chico-span, if I look here, I see here a very sharp edge on it. That is interesting. Now let me put the line here like that. Now, without seeing this edge of the Chico span, I cannot really tell that my entry should be here on this level, or at this level, I mean, I don't know exactly how I can see that without seeing the Ichimoku span. The Chico span, because it's telling me where is the actual very strong previous resistance level, and it is right here at the sharp edge of the Chico span. I don't know if I can wait for the candle to come down here, but let's wait and see. Hopefully I can record it in this video. So for now I will pause the video and we will see what will gonna happen later. So this is the CHF JPY and we are on buy option on the CAD JPY. I will show you, even if we are going against the news, it is still a strong level. In the end, the market should actually obey this level because it's a strong level of the resistance. So again, we are here also CHF JPY, and I'm going to place the trade right on the same level here. So once the candle go down here, this previous resistance is gonna be the new support. So let me now pause the video and show you what will gonna happen later. Let me show you now example here. I am on the CHF JPY again, and if I am now on the 1 hour chart. If I switch to the 30 minutes, we can see here that we have another example right here. So this level of the support, it is sharp edge on the Chico span, and we can see the candle has already touched this level, so it actually should now reverse and go down, and that's why I'm going now to place sell option, because the candle, you can see it here. Let me just zoom in. So this is the sharp level of the Chico span, and we can see the breakout happened here. Now we have to wait for the candles to go up, and it indeed went up. This is the candle here, this one, this reversed hammer. Actually it just touched this level, and now the next candle should actually go and fall down. We can see it now actually going in profit. And if I want to exit my trade, I will of course exit at the nearest support or resistance, which is here, 7 pips away on the next yellow line. Yeah, so now let's see and what will gonna happen on this trade, and I will come back to you guys later. I will pause the video for now. And I found here another opportunity for the Euro NZD, and allow me to explain the reason. Because we can see here we have a very sharp edge on the Chico span, and we see here the breakout represented by this long bearish candle. So we can tell now this support, this sharp support, is gonna now be the new resistance. And again, the very sharp edge has told me that this level is strong, and this candle has actually broke out this level, so therefore it is expected now to go and fall more down. So if I entered here, I will exit my trade at the nearest support or resistance, which is right here, because here we have the resistance. So I should get around 8 pips from this trade. So right now we have these 3 trades going on, 2 of them in profit. One only is still not in profit, which is the CAD JPY, and I believe I maybe made wrong entry here because, yeah, maybe I was overwhelmed with the explanation, but don't go against the news. Maybe I was just very excited for it, very excited for how strong it is, and wanted to share with you. But I'm waiting for this candle to actually go a little bit more up, and I will close it broke even because I want to get out. I don't want to be stuck in the middle of the news. Yeah, this was wrong entry, and I'm thinking to close it right now. I don't want to be more in loss. $2, $1, yeah, $1 is fine. It's okay. No problem. Plus the commission, maybe $2. I'm fine. I'm fine. It's okay. So now let's see these two trades, which I'm going to make profit out of it. So I will come back to you guys and show you what happened with these two trades later. Okay, so guys, this is not really a live trading video, and I need to go actually. I need to go out. So just wanted to show you that we can find the reversals, and you can see now we started to be in profit right now. Um, if I go to the 15-minute time frame, maybe I can see it more clear how many pips I'm making here. Yeah, still very tiny, I know, but the reversals are already happening. Um, let's see, maybe I can wait a little bit more time before I head off. And I will show you what will gonna happen later. I want to end these two trades in good profit. But again, this is not live trading video. I just wanted to show you the strategy, but that should be fine. I will pause the video again and I will show you the results after some time. Okay, my friends, I actually really need to end this video right now. This is not live trading video, so I will close now these trades. But I wanted to confirm you or to show you that we can actually find the reversals using this great way of scalping by using the Chico span on Ichimoku. And on the next videos, or sorry, actually the next video, I will do a live trading video showing you how we can make full trading session using this style. So guys, it is really, look at this, he just went down when I closed my trade. Anyway, it is really easy way to trade, and I hope you guys can practice it. And yeah, just apply hit and run strategy on this method by finding the strong support resistance and support levels using the sharp edges of Chico span on the Ichimoku indicator. So in the next video will be live trading video. Stay tuned guys, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the new videos. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.